Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing great at your home. This is your subject teacher of English, and today we're going to learn a new chapter which is a Festivals Are Fun. The name of chapter is Festivals Are Fun, and this chapter is given in your English reader book. So, student, today we are going to learn about the festivals. So there are different types of festivals that we celebrate in our India. So student, first of all, you have seen there is a many children and they all are related to different types of religion. So student, let's read about the chapter which is related to festival. So we have to learn this story. Okay, so here are first line. Dora and her friends are playing. Dora and her friends are playing. Dora. Then Dora said, I will go home and help mummy bake a cake. Dora said that I will go home and help mummy bake a cake. It is a special cake. Why the Dora make a cake? Because Arya asking, Alia, why is it a special cake? So then Dora replied, we bake it for Christmas. We bake it for Christmas. Do you know about the Christmas? Yes, Christmas is on 25 December. We bake cake it for Christmas because we celebrate Christmas is on 25 December. And why we celebrate Christmas? It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Okay? It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. The children think of the cake and lick their lips. So student, first of all we read about the Christmas. So we celebrate Christmas on 25 December, and why we celebrate Christmas? Because it is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Okay, so then all the children thinking about the cake. Okay, and they lick their lips. Then come home tomorrow, we will have some cake. Then Dora said, come home tomorrow, we will have some cake. So then the children replied, I love cake. Okay. After that, come to the next. Then Ava. Next, Ava said, on Nowruz, we make a special sweet called Rabo. On Nowruz, we make a special sweet called Rabo. Then Anik asked, what is Nowruz? Anik asked, what is Nowruz? Then Ava replied that Nowruz is the Parsi New Year. Nowruz, it is the second festival. First is Christmas, then after next is Nowruz. So Nowruz is the Parsi New Year. It falls on 21st March. Nowruz, it falls on 21st March. On Nowruz, we decorate our house and have fun with friends. So then, Ava describe about the Nowruz. What she said? She said Nowruz is the Parsi New Year. It falls on 21st March. On Nowruz, we decorate our house and have fun with friends. So then next, Jessie said, festivals are such fun. Festivals are such fun. I enjoy all the festival with my family. I enjoy all the festival with my family. We go to the Gurudwara on Guru Nanak's birthday. It is called Gurupurab. Okay, it is called Gurupurab. Okay, then Jessie describe about the Gurupurab. So festival are such fun. I enjoy all the festivals with my family, and we on Gurupurab we go to the Gurudwara on Guru Nanak's birthday. Okay. Then after Alia said, I love Eid. Alia said, I love Eid. It comes after Ramzan. It comes after Ramzan. Ramzan is a month of fasting. Ramzan is a month of fasting. On the day of Eid, we give clothes and foods to the poor. We have a special sweet called sevai. Okay, and we wear new clothes. So, student, we have learned about the Christmas. After that, Nowruz. Then after Guru Purab, and then Eid. So, what is it? On the day it comes after Ramzan. Eid is come after Ramzan. Ramzan is a month of fasting. On the day of Eid, all the peoples give clothes and food to the poor. Okay, and they have a special sweet called sevai, and all the peoples on that day wear new clothes. We also wear new clothes in different types of festival, and we make different type of delicious food. Okay, student, come to the next. After the Eid, we have to learn about the festival of Diwali. So on Diwali, we said the festival I like the most is Diwali. The festival I like the most is Diwali. It is the festival of lights. Diwali is the festival of lights. We decorate our house with candle and lights. We have sweets. We wear new cloth. We wear new clothes. And then Ravi said, I love Holi. Ravi said, I love Holi. It is the festival of color. It is the festival of color. We play with colored water. Holi is such fun. We love all festivals. We love all festivals. So student, like this, you have to read this chapter at your home. And student, you have also learned the spelling of this given festivals. You have to learn the spelling of this given festival. First of all, you have to learn about the Christmas. And now tell me what is spelling of Christmas. So spelling of Christmas is CHRISTMAS. Christmas. What is the spelling of Christmas? Once more, CHRISTMAS. Christmas. Then after, and now tell me when we celebrate Christmas. So we celebrate Christmas on 25 December. 25 December. And why we celebrate Christmas? Because it is the birthday of Jesus Christ. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Okay, that's why we celebrate the Christmas. And then after, come to the next festival, which is Nowruz. And what is the spelling of Nowruz? Do you know? Yes, Navrozd. Navrozd. Okay, it is the spelling of Nowruz. And on the Nowruz, what will we do? So on the Nowruz, we decorate our house and have fun with friends. So now tell me, what is Nowruz? Do you know about the Nowruz? Yes, we have to read that Nowruz is the Parsi New Year. We have learned in this chapter that Nowruz is the Parsi New Year. Okay, then after, come to the next festival, which is Guru Purab. Which is Guru Purab. So what is the spelling of Guru Purab? Gurupurab. Okay, and what we do on Guru Purab? So the people going to the Gurudwaras and doing pray. Okay, so Guru Purab is the festival of the birthday of Guru Nanak. Okay, next festival is Eid. And now tell me what the spelling of Eid? E-I-D, Eid. Okay, and Eid just come after Ramzan. And what is Ramzan? Do you know about the Ramzan? Yes, Ramzan is a month of fasting. Ramzan is a month of fasting. And on the Eid, what will we do? So we have to give cloth and food to the poor people. And what the special sweets on Eid? So special sweet on Eid is seving. Okay, and then after, now tell me which festivals comes. So the next festival is Diwali and Holi. Diwali and Holi. And what is spelling of Diwali? Do you know? Yes, it is Diwali, Diwali. Okay, it is the spelling of Diwali. And now tell me which festival is festival of lights. So we have to learn in this chapter that Diwali is the festival of lights. And on Diwali, we decorate our house with candle and lights. And we have sweets, we wear new clothes. Okay, so now tell me, on Holi what will we do? So on Holi we play with the color water, because Holi is the festival of color. Holi is the festival of colors, and on Holi we play with color water. Okay, student. So in this chapter we have to learn about the different types of festivals and their qualities, what will we do on that day. Okay, so in India we have celebrated all the festivals very happily. Okay, and we enjoying the all the festivals. I hope this chapter is very fun for you. Okay, now thank you.